Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I'm out of the kitchen today because I am on the hunt for something very special since we are getting ready for the holidays. So why don't you come with me and we'll all go shopping together. How's that sound? Let's go. First off, we're going to hit Ross and then we're going to the thrift store. How's that sound, Ezzy? Good. I have a donation and I also have Kobe with me. And I'm kind of glad because I need his input for what I need to buy. So, off to Ross we go. So we're trying to hurry up, but we are looking for bedding. So it's a good thing that I have Kobe with me because I need his input since it is his room. So Ross is kind of a hodgepodge of designer name brands for a lot less. They're nice baskets. But here are all of their beddings. And so we're gonna take a look. Well, there was a really nice bed set that was navy blue and like a burgundy color, kind of a nautical themed. Kobe really liked it, but his room has the blue and the grays. So I'm trying to incorporate a little bit more gray into the comforter, but that one is not completely off the list. We may even come back, but I'm not trying to spend all day shopping. So what we're gonna do right now is head over to the thrift store, to the Savers, and just take a look. I also have a donation, so let's go. So today is actually Veterans Day, so we have Monday off from work and school. Well, for me, I still have to take Kobe in later, but so he's just coming with me and we're just trying to have a very quick shopping morning. And so we're now at Savers, in which I have a donation. So Savers was kind of a bust too. I was just really looking for Ezra. I was looking for a jacket for him, but that's okay. I can go another day. But we're gonna go into a different store. TJ Maxx. Look at all this Christmas decor. That is so cute. Not too bad. Oh, Ezzy found something he likes. So cute. Let's see, and the price. Well, $1 a day. How about that? Lots of pillows, lots of throw pillows, and two cute boys. What are you doing, Ezzy? What are you doing? What are you doing? You love those ones? You have to turn it upside down. Those are so cool looking. Aww, it's like snowing. So we're kind of striking out, you guys, but that's okay. We're getting in our steps. And just so you know, comparison in time, we've been now into 3 stores. We went into Ross and Savers and TJ Maxx in 1 hour. Plus, we went to Chick-fil-A in the drive-thru. So we're doing pretty good on time, wouldn't you say? Mm-hmm. So I'm glad we've gone to a few stores because it shows me what kind of blankets and decor is out there, and so far I'm not super impressed. So I'm coming to a much larger Walmart, so I know the one I do want is at the Walmart by my house, but this one isn't by my house. So I hope they have actually a more larger selection. So let's go shopping. We got this game. Anybody else get this game? It's only like 16 bucks here at Walmart, but I can't wait to try. Oh man, Ezzy has found a love. He loves these Imaginext. So I'm just going to show you the massive size of Walmart. This one goes all the way back there and all the way back there, and whoa, it's like a big warehouse. Aisles and aisles and aisles of bedding. Let's find what we can, you guys. Oh yeah, we should be able to find something here, I think. All right, we are settling on this. That's nice, right, you guys? And I will show you what the room looks like, and it actually has these two colors in it. So, but the only downer is that my little boys, they have the red one of these in their room. So I kind of wanted to kind of pull away from a different color scheme. And I mean, it is a different color scheme, but a whole different like pattern, if you'd say. But I'm just not, I mean, I guess this one is a choice, but I don't like the beige in it when he has gray walls. So I think I'm making the better choice, but the other ones are like solid or like more feminine, which, I mean, seriously, I need to get new bedding eventually, so these will be all great options. But for boys, it's not like it's a great option. Look what my boys are doing. Oh my, turkeys are getting to be on sale over here. Let me know what your prices are where you live. Not bad. We just got some lunch stuff and some warm, fresh French bread. So good. And Ezzy's so happy. So all in all, we were out of the house for about an hour and 45 minutes. So I don't think that's bad at all. And we ended up just getting the comforter set that I should have just got in the first place. I already saw it at Walmart like a couple of weeks ago, but remember I did say I was trying to stay away from repeating the same comforter, just a different color. So anyways, Kobe likes it. It's fine. We already have gray blankets. It's going to work out just nicely. So I'm going to take you now upstairs and we're going to put the comforter on. I've been washing it. It's in the dryer, so it's ready to go, I think. So let's go upstairs. So here's the room. Here's that blue color. It's a little bare in here. And then the gray color on the wall. And here's the hodgepodge of just different blankets. He didn't make his bed because he knew we were buying bedding. So let's just take this all off. So I think we're mostly done. So still my son's room, so there's some papers over there. But it is a trundle bed, or trundle. So I need to pull out the mattress under there, and I have a navy blue sheet for that as well, plus 2 more fuzzy warm blankets. So I think it turned out really nice. It'll look really, it goes really well with the colors in here. We tend to be a little bare up here, just because if I put more stuff, then it looks like my little boys' room of a lot of toys all over the place. So I think Kobe loves this minimalistic look as well. We did have things on the walls in which they were taken down, but that's okay. So I think he will like that. Although some of this heaping pile of old blankets are like some sentimental ones. So one that I even sewed for them myself over 10 years ago. So I don't think he's willing to, we're not going to get rid of those things just yet. We'll just put them somewhere else, or he could even use them at night as well. But this means it's ready for guests. Working on, I have another project that I'm working on. I am changing out the knobs on this dresser, and if you can see behind, I'm going to be putting the painter's tape down to repaint the baseboards a bright white. There was a little bit of oopsies when we were painting, or shall I say when Isaiah was painting before he left on his mission. It's okay. This house is like 14, 13 years old, so it needs maintenance and upkeep, and so this is just one of those things, right? I just remembered that we have dentist appointments today, so we're rushing out the door, but come along with us. It'll be fun. Can't wait. Now it's my turn. So we're all good, except I have a couple little cavities that I have to come back and get done.
She was going to make me pay for my cavities.
Because they eat so much candy.
Mom.
So they're going to get, they got little treats.
Wait, I'm on a streak of no cavities.
He's doing pretty good. But my kids, their teeth come in really early, like 4 months old when they're little babies, and they don't ever want to come out. So Ezra is going to be 7 here pretty quick. He has still all his baby teeth. And Jonas only has like 4, 6, 8, maybe
8, I think it's
8 adult teeth, and then the rest are like hanging on.
Wait, no, 8 left.
8 left. So the dentist is like, he's got like a week, and they're probably all gonna fall out because they're just so loose.
Last year,
so he should have already lost them a long time ago, don't you think? And for me, my teeth, I just have a couple little cavities that we're gonna take care of. But all in all, of course, I will pay for them.
Last year I had some cavities.
Yeah, so we're just waiting on all of these teeth to come out, especially on his. And so now we're going to go meet Paul for dinner. As you can see, the sun's starting to set, and I've hardly been home today. So we're just going to go quick. I'm going to get a bowl of soup. He's probably going to get his usual, get the boys their usual, which is just easy tacos. Call it good. Hello! Look at the moon. Starting to come up. Nice little full moon. Jonas wants me to throw a ball with him. Should be interesting. Thanks so much for coming along with me on our day of shopping and projects and all the fun, right? This is just my life. And for a holiday Monday off, I certainly had a whole lot to do, wouldn't you say? So right now, Paul is in the garage. He's making something big. He's building a table for our dining room. Can you believe it? Now, it's not been an easy process, so it's not something I could have shown like a step-by-step, because it was just like a lot of steps that he didn't anticipate either. But I can't wait to see it, and I hope that it's ready before Thanksgiving. Fingers crossed.
So thanks so much, everybody, for stopping by the channel. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the vlog today and the shopping and the life, right? It's just, I know we all have all of our stuff going on, and so you just got a little peek about what we're doing today. And now we need to finish some projects. But I think I'm gonna throw some more baseballs with Jonas, and so I'll close it right now. But have a wonderful evening, a wonderful day, and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.